As you begin the semester in your SMUFlex classroom, we'd like to briefly cover the steps you'll need to do at the start and conclusion of each class. Although this may seem daunting at first, it will quickly become routine and should not require more than a minute or two. Also, a laminated instruction sheet on SMUFlex technology should be located at or near the podium in your classroom for more step-by-step details. First, you'll need to log into the SMU computer in the classroom using your SMU credentials, not the guest login. Even if you will use your own personal equipment, the Zoom session must be started from the podium computer in order to transmit the video and audio feeds. If there is not a computer in the room, you will need to connect the webcam or other devices to your laptop in order to use the built-in equipment. Second, ensure your content is displayed in the room. Turn on the projector, lower the screen, etc. to share the content in class as you normally would. If you will use the Captivo or Epson whiteboards, you may want to establish the shared session and connect to those via your web browser. If you are using a document camera, launch the document camera software and verify that it is displaying correctly. Once you are ready, launch the Zoom meeting and click Record. Be sure to select the Record to Cloud option so you can easily retrieve your recording later. Next, share your content. We recommend sharing the entire desktop with your Zoom meeting. This allows you to quickly switch between your PowerPoint slides or documents, the shared whiteboard session, or the document camera, allowing your remote students as well as your in-class students to see the content easily. Your in-person students will be able to hear you in the class and hear remote students over the room audio system. Your remote students will typically only hear you through the microphone, but will not necessarily hear your in-class students. Therefore, you may need to repeat the question from your students or summarize discussion points for your remote participants. At the end of your class, stop the Zoom recording. Recordings should be stored in Panopto, which is connected to your Canvas course. More information is available at smu.edu/panopto. End any shared whiteboard sessions and download the content if you wish to retain those files. Then, log out of the computer. If you used a wireless lavalier microphone, turn it off and place it back on the charging base for the next instructor. Remember, if you need emergency assistance in the classroom, please call 214-768-8888. Additional information is always available on the web at smu.edu/keepteaching.